time. And now I will grab this one and now I'll just break it. The texture is so yummy, as you guys can see. It's so yummy and delicious. And now it's time for the testing. Absolutely delicious. So yummy. Assalamualaikum guys. Today we are making a new recipe. The name of this recipe is beef nuggets. So let's begin with our ingredients. 200 grams of beef mince. We have some coriander leaves, some green chili and 1 small onion. Paprika powder ½ teaspoon. Garlic powder ½ teaspoon. Salt to taste of. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder ½ teaspoon. First we'll add our beef mince. As you can see, beef mince are in there. And now we'll add our coriander leaf, our onion, and now we'll add our green chili. And now we will grind them and I'll show you what happens after. And now we'll add our spices in there. First we'll add our first spice. And our second. Our best ingredient, salsa. Black pepper. Whoa. As you guys can see, we have added all of our spices in there. 1 boiled potato we have smashed. And now we'll add our ½ cup breadcrumbs. And now we'll mix it well with the help of a spork. As you guys can see. As you can see, we have smashed our batter, and now you can look, and it's so dry, as you guys can see. If you want it to be more dry, you can add more breadcrumbs. Okay, guys? As you can see, our nuggets are ready. As you guys can see, we just mix all-purpose flour with some water, and now we're gonna dip our nuggets in there and then coat it with some breadcrumbs. So now let's begin that process. So now we're gonna grab our nugget, and now we're going to just nicely spread it. And now we are going to put it in our breadcrumbs. Just gonna sprinkle some breadcrumbs on there, as you guys can see. And now one is ready, and now we'll make all of our nuggets like this. So now I will show you. At this stage, you can also freeze your nugget in the freezer. If you want to eat them later, you can do that. And now we will fry it in our oil. One goes in and another one goes in. And now we will turn them. Try this recipe in Ramzan. Happy Ramzan to you all. And if you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz. This is absolutely so yummy.